Guru Online Job Platform Review Usage Experience. In today's video, we'll be reviewing Guru, an online job platform that connects businesses with freelancers across various industries. Links to Guru are available in the description if you're interested in using it either to find work or to hire talented professionals. Guru is designed for freelancers who specialize in a broad range of fields, such as web development, design, marketing, writing, and administrative support. One of its key features is the Workroom, which allows freelancers and clients to collaborate efficiently. This tool provides task management, file sharing, and real-time communication, all in one place, making project management smoother for both parties. For clients, Guru offers an easy-to-navigate platform where you can search for freelancers based on their skills, experience, and feedback. You can post jobs, receive proposals, and evaluate applicants all through the site. It also has a unique milestone payment system, which means you can pay freelancers in installments as they complete parts of the project, giving you added security and control. Freelancers benefit from Guru's flexible payment options, including hourly, fixed price, and recurring billing. The platform supports multiple currencies, making it ideal for global collaboration. Plus, Guru offers a workroom-based invoicing system, so freelancers don't have to worry about tracking their hours manually, as the platform can do it for you. One of Guru's standout features is the Guru SafePay system, which ensures that payments are protected for both parties. Freelancers receive payments only after the client approves the work, which significantly reduces the risk of not getting paid. However, like most platforms, Guru charges a service fee. Freelancers will pay anywhere between 5% and 9%, depending on their membership level, with the lower fee available for premium members. In conclusion, Guru is a great platform for freelancers and businesses looking for a secure, flexible, and organized work environment. If you're looking for a platform that lets you handle everything from proposals to payments in one place, Guru is worth checking out. Don't forget to click the links in the description to get started.